Winter is going to an end, spring has begun in many areas. Perennial plants after a resting period need a fresh start. They need some care now, like removal of yellow dried leaves, cleaning of weeds from soil, some cutting, pruning, shaping, and some plants need repotting. There are so many chores to be done in February, but some jobs are more important, I think, and they need to be done first. I have been doing my February gardening chores from the very first day of February. I will share you how I listed gardening chores according to my priority, and these are: number 1 is repotting, number 2 is hard pruning, number 3 is growing hardboard cuttings, number 4 propagating your plants, and number 5 is fertilizing. Let me share first my repotting task. I have repotted many of my plants like the sticoma plant which had become root bound badly. Repotting is very essential at this stage because there is not enough soil left in the pot due to overgrowth of roots, and as you all know, plants get their energy from the soil. So for good growth, plants need a good amount of fresh, healthy soil. This is my Dracaena reflexa, commonly called as Song of India. Wonderful plant, very easy to grow, maintain and propagate. I repot this plant for the first time after buying. I bought this plant almost 3 years before. It has been there in the same pot for 3 years. If you are a beginner gardener, I highly recommend you this plant. This is Penta's plant. I repotted also. This is Dracaena marginata. I repotted too for the first time. It is not going well, I think, but anyhow, hope for the best. It will get well soon. Let's move to the second task, which I think to be done as early as possible. That is hard pruning or pruning. This is more important to get fresh growth of stems and leaves because healthy plants give healthy blooms. I had pruned my bougainvillea plant in November because I wanted its blooms in spring and onwards. Slice it last week. You can see its beautiful blooms and vibrant colors. These are new growths. You can see these all are fresh growths. If you prune and fertilize your plant on the right time, you can enjoy its beautiful blooms whole year. I had hard pruned my jasmine plant too in November, and it is giving new shoots now. You can observe. These are new shoots. Here one chore to be done is important. If you observe new growth, pinch the first pair of leaves of the branch. In this way, you will get more branches. And you know, more branches means more flower on your plants. My lavender plant needs hard pruning also. This task is left and I will try to do it as soon as possible. This is the best time to propagate your plant through hardwood cuttings. Soft cutting like pothos, philodendron are easily propagated whole year, but hardwood cuttings are difficult to grow. So February-March, which is spring season, is the best time to grow hardwood cuttings. Your cuttings will give 100% result during these months. I have many plants which can be propagated through hardwood cutting like the Song of India and Dracaena marginata and Jatropha plant and jasmine. And if you want to propagate your plant through dividing root ball, then this is the best time. I have to divide my asparagus plant, foxtail, thunbergia and these redbud plants, vincas which are growing abruptly, and this euphorbia plant which has been in this pot for many years. Now I want to pay attention to this plant also. Last but not the least is fertilizing to your plants. Spring is the best season to fertilize your perennial plants. Perennial plants are usually fertilized in February, March and September. So don't procrastinate this task. Fertilize your plant as soon as possible. All these chores are February, March garden works, and these are a lot of work to be done within these 2 months. So let's go to complete these tasks. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe to my channel.